Good afternoon, good evening. Okay, this is the completion of the last video on Betty linter, on the Betty linter. So I just want to show us how we can use our Betty linter. That is, we want to check if our code is being organized as it's supposed to be organized. So when I just pass a command Betty, then space my file name, you can see that there's no error. Now let's check another one. We'll see that it's possible we got an error. The error pop up. Betty work .c. Now that is, this particular one is not being structured as Betty style of coding. Now let's fear into it so that we can correct the error. Let's see, or let's just let me open that same file in my code, my Visual Studio Code. Let me open it my Visual Studio Code, and so that I can just correct it from there. Then I will do the needful from here. Let me correct the error. Let's check what's the error. Let's put the error aside so that we can correct everything needable that is needed. Now, what's the error code said? Said on line 4 for each. Then this will be corrected. Just put the parentheses here. Then what next? On line 6, code indent should use tab where possible. Now we have correct to this extent, right? So let's check our code again. Let's check our code again. Now I think we have correct number 4 and number 17. So number 6, I'm not sure of what is, but let's try Betty work.c. Now is flagging an error on number 6, alone now. So let's check what is happening to number 6. The code indented should use tab. Okay, come. Now I'll save my code. Let me try it again. Betty work.c. Now warning, no description font for me. Now I've corrected that. The next correction I need to do here is to come to this place, then do then star. Yeah, thank you. return and code. Now let's go and try and run our Betty again. Walk.c. Okay, line 4. Five and 6. What happened to line 4? Okay. Please, I think we can see how I'm correcting it. I will have say I pause this video now, but I don't want to. I want you to see. I want us to walk through it together. Now, trailing white space at 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Four and 6. So let me check again. Now warning, 4 and 8. Initial, missing initial short description. Warning, no description font for main return value. Okay. Let's just change this. Now let's run again. Betty number 8. Okay, now if we check what it says, there one no description font for main, then we need to correct this and main, then we do our return value to end 0 end program. Now we are able to correct our walk to Betty style. Now Betty style, we are now working with Betty style. Now we are now working with Betty style. I hope this will be of help to you. Thank you for following this channel. Please do well to subscribe to my channel for more educational content. Thank you.